This is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition, and trust me, it is Tecno's coolest design ever.
So this phone, if it goes into my pocket and I bring it out, you see plain white. And once the UV light comes on it, it changes into this color. So this is amazing. And this is the first time a tech company is doing this.
And not just that, the design is so astounding that it won Muse 2022 Design Award. So this year, Tecno launched the Camon 19 series as its flagship to succeed last year's Camon 18. Camon 19 series comes with 4 different devices: Camon 19, Camon 19 Pro, Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition, which is of course this one, and the Camon 19 Pro 5G. Of all the devices in the series, Tecno decided to focus on the design of this Mondrian Edition in honor of the famous Dutch artist Piet Mondrian. But why the love for this artist? I don't know. As far as 2022 is concerned, this phone is among the best designed Android phones money can buy, only a little expensive at 190,000 naira. That's a little expensive. So in this video, I will tell you what I like about the phone and what I don't like about it. I will also talk about every aspect and give it a rating from the scale of 1 to 10, starting from the price. But first off, just so you know, it has 8GB of RAM and up to 5GB more through virtual memory. The ROM space is 256GB. It runs on Android 12, HiOS 8.6 with a MediaTek Helio G96 processor. It is not a 5G device, but it does well as far as internet browsing is concerned. So let's talk about the price. Although 190,000 naira is quite a lot of money for a device that is not even 5G, the Mondrian Camon 19 has a bunch of features that really worth the price. I will talk about these features in a moment, but 8 out of 10 for the price. 160,000 naira or less would have been 10 out of 10. Because of the design, my expectation of the packaging box is so high. Here is the box, also designed in Piet's art, and look different from the packaging of the other devices in the Camon 19 series. First, inside the box, you will find the phone wrapped in the same style. This is quite different from Tecno's usual way of wrapping phones. Usually, quick specifications such as the camera and battery capacity is written here, but for the Mondrian Edition, it's just the design. There is a free 1.5GB instant data offer from MTN, a regular transparent bumper case, warranty card, a 33-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, a regular earpiece, and a SIM remover tool. The one good thing about the packaging is that on the outside it looks so pretty, and the pattern at the front makes it stand out from the other devices in the Camon 19 series. But on the inside there is nothing new here. All the accessories inside are packed the same way Tecno packaged most of their previous devices. It even gets worse because most of these accessories are just the usual ones. The bumper case, the earpiece, and the SIM remover pin are not different from previous ones. Camon 19 is Tecno's 2022's flagship, and that is the reason it is only reasonable to expect improved accessories. I can't really say I got a good unboxing experience from this device, so 5 out of 10 for the unboxing. The biggest gain of the Camon 19 series is that it won a 2022 Design Award. So if this device right here falls short of expectation, I don't mind giving it a 1 out of 10 rating. Never mind, that's not going to happen because this device comes with a stylish design, and the fact that it changes its color when under sunlight makes it superb. The design of the back cover is quite similar to Spark 9 but has more details, especially for the 2 ring shapes housing the cameras. The design of the back cover is also different from previous designs. It has fine rounded curves, and with this design, Tecno is pushing things up to the extreme. And come to the cutouts and the buttons. This is yet another area Tecno so focused on. For example, the power button is positioned in a very suitable place where your thumb fits it once you hold the phone. So you don't have to stretch your thumb searching for the power button all the time. And because the power button is a little bigger than the volume button, it makes it so comfortable to push. I feel this is so incredible. The earpiece at the top is positioned at an angle that prevents sound from going directly into your ear. I kind of like this position as well. Also consider the SIM tray for a moment. It doesn't come with a long SIM tray, but it does support the use of 2 SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. Let's give Tecno a credit here because most of these small SIM trays that support 2 SIM cards and a memory card can only accommodate 2 SIM cards without a memory card at the same time. If you want to insert a memory card, you will have to sacrifice 1 SIM card. So long story short, either 2 SIM cards without a memory card or 1 SIM card and a memory card. But this Camon 19 Pro SIM tray can accommodate 2 SIM card and a memory card at the same time, yet it looked pretty small. The design is one of the things I like most about the device, so 9 out of 10. If you are enjoying this video, all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel so you can get to see more of my videos. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to tell me what you think about this device in the comment section below. Over the past few years, Tecno has put lots of effort into the design of their devices, but not on the display. And this Mondrian Edition is not an exemption. It doesn't come with anything new, and it's not even an AMOLED display. This device features an IPS TFT screen of 120Hz with a fair resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. The advantage here is that the PPI density is 395, and it means that it can display its content under direct sunlight. But clearly, it's not the best of displays, so I will give it 6 out of 10. Now, one particular thing everyone is interested in when purchasing a new device is the battery. No one wants frequent charging as a result of low battery capacity or a slow charger. Now, this device comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 33W fast charger. And as far as the Camon series is concerned, battery capacity has never been Tecno's focus. Last year's Camon 18 Premier even came with 4750 mAh battery. So 5000 mAh battery for the Tecno Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition is fair enough. Though the Tecno Pova family usually comes with up to 7000 mAh battery, if this device had actually come with up to 6000 mAh battery or more, I would have given it a 10 out of 10 rating. So 7 out of 10. Talking about the performance of the device, it doesn't lag. It doesn't easily get overheated, and it doesn't get freezed up. A side-by-side comparison with this iPhone 11 Pro Max with almost the same home screen design shows how close the Camon 19 Pro's performance came. Applications open on time, and even browsing the internet is fast as well, so I will just rate the performance 8 out of 10. When it comes to gaming, the performance is just great. You won't have issues playing games such as PUBG, Online PES, and Call of Duty. Within the little time I played game with this device, it didn't take much battery and it didn't even heat up. And this is surprising because I was playing music at the same time. But it doesn't give you the best of gaming experience though, so I'll just give it a 7 out of 10 rating. So far, I've talked about the unboxing, I've talked about the design, I've talked about the display, I've talked about the battery, and I've talked about the performance and the gaming. It's now time to talk about what really interests me the most: the camera. At the back, it features a 64 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel secondary camera, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. It supports all the camera modes of last year's Camon 18, which includes the film mode, short video mode, pro mode, and document mode. But there is more with the Camon 19. It has the sky shop mode. This mode can literally change the sky behind you to a predefined sky. It has different sky background, and interestingly, it can turn a picture from daytime to nighttime. So obviously, Tecno didn't focus on the design of this device alone. They put lots of effort in the camera as well. Pictures taken with a red camera are just great, with natural colors that feel so real. It brings out much details of any object captured in the camera. An interesting part of the camera is that when in the dark, although it doesn't automatically switch to night mode, the screen will display the captured area that is dark as if there is light. So virtually, all the camera modes can brighten up a dark scene. And when you switch to night mode, it's much the same thing. The only difference is that it adds a bit of fine-tuning to the picture, giving it a little more detail. The point here is that if you are taking a video in a dark place, the camera will automatically brighten the scene. So night mode is not just limited to photo mode only. Even video mode now somehow has night mode, and that's like crazily awesome. Now, when you think you have seen it all with the camera, the upgraded AR shot comes to play with lots of animations you can play with. These animations have all been changed, and compared with previous AR shot modes, I prefer these animations. The video mode supports up to 2K video recording and up to 30 times zoom-in scale. The zoom-in also features a little location screen that helps you identify the focus of the camera when zoomed in. It supports the ultra steady mode for steady videos, and finally, the footage of the camera are more than decent. An extremely insane feature here is that the video mode supports autofocus while recording. So when you are recording a video, you can blur out the background. This is insane because even the iPhone 12 does not have this feature. The front camera comes with the wide selfie mode and a handful of other modes. It takes pictures with natural fill and a lot of editing features. Because the camera came well equipped, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Alright, that's that. So, what's my take on this device? For a device that is not even the highest in the series to come with such great design, fine performance, big battery, and very sophisticated camera, I think the right word to use is the perfect device for the perfect price. So that's my own opinion. What's your own opinion? Put it down in the comment section below. Let's start this conversation. If you want to compare the Camon 19 Mondrian Edition and the Camon 19 regular edition, head to this video. I believe that the Tecno Camon 19's design is stolen from the Tecno Spark 9 series. Click this video to find out why. See you in my next video.